nice to see you all. I hope you all doing well in this new year. Today I came with smoothie breakfast recipe using linseed. Linseeds are the healthiest plant source of omega fats, which are very important for a healthy brain, heart, joints and immune system. Linseeds, also known as flax seeds, a good source of fiber, magnesium, potassium, manganese, also minerals, copper, iron, phosphorus and many more. If I say that a green smoothie, I don't think this is a not tasty one, but I'm going to make as a tastier and much healthier. This is an enjoyable smoothie. Okay, now let's go to make the green smoothie breakfast. For my green smoothie, I add 5 almonds, 1.5 tablespoon of chia seeds. Here I use my green smoothie golden linseeds. Linseeds are available in golden, brown, whole, ground or milled form from most health food shops and supermarkets. Linseeds can be taken whole, but if you prefer, you can crush or grind them before use. I add 1.5 tablespoon of golden linseeds. Linseeds can be mixed into many foods including cereal, yogurt, soup or salads. I add 2 medjool dates. These dates taste equal to honey. And I add some baby spinach leaves. If you take linseeds with fluid, make sure that you have at least 150 ml or more fluid per tablespoon. And I add half piece of banana. I add 1.5 cup of water. Now I'm going to blend it well. Linseeds swell up when they come into contact with fluid to form a gel which can soften the stools, making them easier to pass. Now the smoothie is ready. This is an excellent green smoothie breakfast. I hope this is a useful video to you and I hope you enjoyed it. Now I'll see you in next video. Take care. Bye.